All right, shalom, shalom. First and foremost, I would like to give all praises, honor, glory, respect, and blessings to Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai, Bahasham Rachakwadash. Salutations to the Lord's elect on the four corners of the earth, pushing his truth and sincerity while patiently waiting for Yahweh Shai's return. And double honors to our apostles and elders of Great Millstone, which have taught us everything we know through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai. Listen closely, Akim. Listen. Strange noises coming from the sky. Just listen. Now, and if you notice, it's going to get quiet, but within a couple of seconds, you're going to hear this strange noise coming from the sky again. I believe this is a sign, Nakim. Listen. Did you hear that? It's been doing this over and over and over for almost 30 minutes now. Okay? The book of Luke, the 21st chapter, tells you that there shall be signs in the sun, the moon, and in the midst of the stars. Listen, you're going to hear this strange noise again coming from the sky. You see that? Did you hear that? It sounds like the sky is roaring. And if you notice, it's a clear sky tonight. I can see all manner of stars. Okay? See some clouds. But yeah, I believe this is a sign. Listen. Now, the average person, when they hear this, they would freak out, you know. They'll start to panic, you know, they'll start to question what to do. But if you're in the spirit, Akim, you know what time it is. This is a major sign right here. The sky is roaring. You'll hear these strange sounds coming from the sky. It'll stop and then it'll repeat itself. Listen. And the fact that, you know what that sounds like? That sounds like, you know, I can't really explain it, you know? I mean, there ain't no clouds out. The sky's just roaring, man. That's the Lord giving a sign. That's a sign that this kingdom is finished. Listen. Hey, the book of Psalms, chapter 7, verse 11. Yahweh, judge of the righteous, and Yahweh Bahashem Yahweh Shai is angry with the wicked every day. These strange sounds coming from the sky, that's a major sign, Akim. Listen. I'm gonna let the video continue to play just so you can hear these strange sounds coming from the sky over and over, but it is extremely loud. It sounds like the sky is just yelling out for vengeance. Just listen. Sounds like missiles flying, don't it? But yeah, Akim, shit crazy, right? Strange sounds coming from the sky. This is it, man. This kingdom's finished. But with that, I'm gonna say shalom. So on to the next one.